Hello, today we will learn about the View tab of MS Word 365. So here you can see separate page option, reading view, immersive reader, zoom, roller, navigation, header footer or dark mode. So today we learn about the immersive reader tool that is available here in MS Word, that is really very good if we want to read the document. So here there is settings, and in the settings there is an option that you want the voice, male or female voice, and you can change the voice speed according to your requirement. And maybe here then you when you will play. So
Exam
now
IN 2010 Fall 2023. 24 December 2023. Warm up. Data structures are fundamental components in computer science that enable efficient organization, storage.
So now you can pause at any point, and here reading preferences. In the reading preferences we have text preferences as well. So maybe I can change the background color or no background color, and it's up to me. The background and the foreground color, that is the text over there. So I can choose from here. Similarly, the font style I can change from here, and text size I can increase or I can decrease from here. I can control this. So these are the options available here. And reading preferences means that you want a line focus, so only one line that is going to be read will be in the focus. So when I will
Storage
play
and
this, so
retrieval
you
of
can
data.
see only
They
one
serve as
line
the
is
building
in the
blocks for designing
focus.
algorithms and solving various computational problems. One key aspect of data.
And here in the reading preferences, if I have multi-line, like I can say that no single line, I need multi-lines to focus, so I can control from here. Similarly, I can change the language as well. So any language I can choose from here. So when I
Structures is
will,
their ability to
so
represent relationships and
although
connections
it is
between
in
different pieces of
here,
information.
not first I need to change the document in that language, and then I can apply the rating. So here this is all about the immersive reader functionality or the tool available in MS Word. So hope you like this. Thank you.